So I totally just...
To Chico, to Chico, to Chico.
Okay, you know what? Fuck this. Fuck you. We got a special guest today. We got Jordan. Jordan is a special guest today. It's a Nerf gun.
Still.
So it works. It's done. That's definitely done, Jordan. Alright. Oh, don't drive away! Come back, buddy!
What up?
Hey, boys.
Tracen.
Demetrius.
Yep.
What the fuck is this cunt material?
You want to be friends with me? Can we be friends?
He snorted too many pixie sticks today.
Not even one named Jaquavius at all? No. He was supposed to sell me some crap, but... Have you seen Jaquavius?
About 6'5". Big guy.
Have you guys seen Jaquavius by chance?
What?
Have you guys seen Jaquavius?
I have not. He's got 6'5".
6'5", bigger
Big.
guy.
Sorry, no.
Yeah, he's supposed to sell me some crack or something. Oh, it's not funny though. I have a very strong addiction to crack. Have you guys by chance seen a guy named Sharif Wilson?
Yeah.
6'2".
No. Dang.
If you see him carrying around like a dime bag of crack, just tell him I was the one who's gonna buy it.
So hear me out. I know this video was probably a bit shorter than the last one, but this one we got pretty good content. This one was actually filmed in wide angle, so we don't have to blame Tracen this time for not filming in wide angle. Can you believe that? Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe, like, do anything you can to help us out. We're trying to get big here, so